I told you. The time is here. Time of the essence. If you did not know what just happened today, if you're not looking at your trading, your in currency, Bitcoin, Maker, you've missed out on a lot. But I think that the run is still on till Saturday, till Sunday. You know this, okay? Ethereum and Maker have left the building. I mean, it's out of here. I mean, if you didn't get it when it was low, you still got time. If you're that money maker, it's nothing to you. But you know, if you're 9 to 5 hard gainer, you've missed out, because where Ethereum and Bitcoin has gone, I mean, they're following the footsteps of Bitcoin. And today, this week alone, portfolio went up $3,000 and still going as we speak. $3,000 I made in one of my portfolios today. The one that I'm sharing with you guys. $3,000 was made today. Let's take a look at it. Let's see what's going on right here. Hang on. But most of all, we did the what's the private key. Check it out. Subscribe. Show your support. Have any open up an account, please do. Coinbase is right here. Click on it. Have any questions? mrbitcoina@yahoo.com. Cash App me for some support. Let's check out this portfolio. Go to my previous videos. Go look at it and look at it now. Okay. 13,652. This is my, YouTube account. All right. And what you see right now is gain just today. Okay. 413. Is it? Where was this? This month alone. You guys are all over there shaking in your boots. Should I invest now? We went from 11,000 to 10,981. 410. See the stuff right here? 411. Okay, 412, 413, 414, 415 today alone. Today we went up $2,000. I was outside. I was looking at my app, and I was just seeing the numbers get higher and higher. I made some phone calls to some people. They're jumping on it right now. They ain't playing. Remember, we made $200 this week for the last 2 days. Bitcoin, we haven't been able to get anything back into it, but I know that we'll be making with some gains on Saturday, like we always do. This is all we put $1,000 in. We got 100. We got another $94 right here. The overview is right here. Let's go check out our portfolio right here, and let's see what's going on. Little money, but Bitcoin, Maker, Ethereum left the building. Ethereum is just out there. Ethereum is just skyrocket high. Okay, 2,502. Look at that. That's today. April 15th. That's April. This is all April. All right. Transactions have stopped. Trading has stopped. So that's how it works. If you ever do day trading, that's how stock works. At the end of the day, it starts dropping, start dipping. That's when a lot of people are short. All right. Let's check out Maker. Let's hit up Maker. Maker is out of here. All right, Maker is out of here. Let's check out what Maker got going on here. Maker was all over the place today. Maker was April. Look at this. April 15. It was. Let's do it right here. Look at that. This was yesterday. $2,825. Bam. This is all the this is today. 7:40 a.m. 8:30 a.m. 9, 10, 10:40, 11, 12, 3,008. The day closing at $3,635. Get your Maker today. Get your Ethereum today. You have direct deposit, where it takes money out of your account on a daily basis, on a monthly basis, one-time purchase, or first and the 15th every week, or every day, or every month, starting on the day you started your deposit. Get it today. Stop messing around. I mean, I can't say any more. That's the portfolio right there. This week alone, $3,000 gain. Last week we gained $800. The week before that we gained $1,500 on our portfolio. Portfolio is looking nice and dandy. Don't forget the Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is leaving the building also. Get it while it's hot. Get it while it's in the thousands, since you couldn't get it when it was lower. Alright? Get that stuff to right now. Okay? Look at that. This was all today. Something's going on in the market. Let's find out. Alright, this is the 15th. We're just rolling in the 15th. Okay? We're just rolling in the 15th. Bitcoin Cash was at $656. This week alone, $300 was gained. $358 was gained. Alright? To make things absolutely correct. So I don't got much to say. Remember, tradable assets. Make sure the tradable assets before you start investing. Okay. Remember, hit me up. Let me show you how to get $34 free digital currency. Ethereum is looking strong. Maker is looking strong. Stellar Loomis is still, up and down. Who knows? Bitcoin is right there. Get them while they're hot. I can't say any more. Let's go on to our subject for today. What is smart contract? Okay. Smart contract. Let's define that, baby. A smart contract, like any contract, establishes the terms. What that happen? Establish the terms of an agreement, but unlike a traditional contract, a smart contract terms are executed as code running on a blockchain like Ethereum. Smart contracts allow developers to build apps that take advantage of blockchain securities. Alright. Okay, just like any other contract. What are smart contracts? Smart contracts allow developers to build a wide variety of decentralized apps and tokens. They are used in everything from new financial tools to logistics and game experience. Uniswap, a decentralized exchange that allows users to buy smart contracts. We are investing in that. Compound, a platform that uses smart contracts to let investors earn interest. We're into that too. USDC, these are all tradable assets. Cryptocurrency that is paid via smart contract to the dollar, US dollar. Remember I told you, these are all softwares, digital computer stuff. Alright, and you earn money when there's a transaction being done. Remember, we're up from our previous study. So how would you use these smart contracts power tools? Imagine you're holding some Ethereum that you'd like to trade for USDC, US dollars. You could put some Ethereum into Uniswap, which via smart contract can automatically find you the best exchange rate makes the trade. Alright, in traditional finance, swapping currency is expensive and time consuming. So digital currency is here to help it make it cheaper. How do smart contracts work? Currently, Ethereum is the most popular smart contract platform, but many other cryptocurrencies blockchains EOS, Neo, Tezos, Trons, Polkadot, and Algorand. Go get them. Can run them. Alright, smart contracts are written in a variety of program languages. Each computer on the network stores a copy of all existing smart. Remember I told you there's going to be kiosks everywhere. They're going to cut down on the employment. So they got illegal immigrants coming in here to do all the hard work, build the skyscrapers, cut the grass, take care of the rich kids while they're working. You know, it's all here. They're going to replace everybody. They're cutting the wages. To execute a smart contract on Ethereum network, you will generally have to pay a fee called gas. So named because these fees keep the blockchain running. Once deployed into a blockchain, smart contracts generally can't be altered even by their creators. This helps ensure that they can't be censored or shut down. Alright, that's it for today on smart contract. I know you guys stay busy, you know, getting that money. So I'm here to help you guys out. Just a little education for y'all. You know what you're getting into. I talked to an investor, a past client, and I was surprised they had received somebody came around and told them some bad stuff about digital currency, and they pulled their money out. And I asked, who is this person? I was like, do they have any experience? Do they have any trading experience? Do they know anything about trading? They said no. I said, why are you going to listen to them? Listen to somebody that's making money. I'll tell them right now, if you would have left that money in there, you would have made $9,000 today. You would have made $3,000 on each $10,000 that you had in there. They got so upset when they saw what Ethereum is right now, what Bitcoin is right now, what Maker is right now. And they're upset that they automatically left when we finished talking, went and repurchased all the digital currencies that they withdrew from. I'm telling you guys, I mean, I don't know why a lot of people rather have their money sitting in the bank collecting fees where the bank charges you, you know, whatever they charge you, instead of having your money work for you. You got to have your money work for you. You can't just have your money sitting in the bank doing nothing. Before you make that bill, that payment, throw that money into digital currency. Let's make $200, let's make $600 a week from it. That's what I'm telling you guys. Get with the program. Let's see what Max Kaiser got to say.
Hi, we hit today, Max.
Yep. As predicted, right? So 2021, we're gonna have a lot of new all-time highs. Still sticking with my $220,000 prediction for 2021. Still good, as all the major macro themes we've been talking are still supporting higher Bitcoin price and everything else.
Right. You know what? For this episode, because of the new all-time high, I did a Stacey Herbert speedball. Some iced coffee and some rosé. And you notice
Isn't that what killed John Belushi?
from coffee and rosé.
Did I get the story right?
I put ice cubes in my rosé as well because I wanted to offend the French intentionally, because I do have a story about them coming up.
Oh.
But yeah, so the Coinbase listing as well. We're covering that. We're covering the new all-time high. We're covering a few things. Of course, Jerome Powell is also spouting off today, blabbing on about...
Oh, really?
Yeah. He said cryptocurrencies, like gold, are speculative vehicles.
Well, life is a speculation. You know, everything is a speculation at the end of the day. I'm not sure that really says anything on the speculation side, but he's right that it's like gold, and that's why it's going to be worth $10 trillion and then higher, right? So he got that part of the equation right. And, you know, the Federal Reserve policy is speculation. People speculate about which way the Fed's going, and then they assign capital and they put capital to work accordingly, and that's one of the components of capitalism. I think he thinks that when he speaks, he's speaking with some kind of authority that supersedes that of the market itself, and that's called, what do you call it, communism.
Well, he was out there saying, well, actually, let's skip to what Powell said. He said cryptocurrencies are speculation vehicles like gold. And he also said the current levels of debt are very sustainable. And he said this is not the time to prioritize debt concerns.
Right. Well, again, on the speculation point, the capitalism is fueled by the losers and who speculate and lose. That's where the money comes from. And you know, I mean, it's to say it's speculation is really not saying anything. What makes capitalism work, what makes the American economy successful for the past few decades, are speculators, are risk takers. And there's nothing that's been in the American economy that's generated a meaningful contribution to GDP that's not a speculation at some point. The railways are speculation, the airline industry is speculation, the electric light bulb is speculation. All miners of everything are speculation. And the other thing that's not speculation would see like government jobs or things like that, which are a fixed cost, which are a drain on the economy to the extent that they overtake the speculators. So again, if he thinks he's, I'd like to hear what he has to say about speculation. He's not saying, he's saying something very benign. He's like saying, you know, the sky is blue, and the sky is blue. Okay, well, thanks for coming in. Jerome, have a nice day. The second thing he says is, don't worry about debt. You know, this is, now this is just a blatant misrepresentation. You know, I'm reminded of when in the United Kingdom they wanted to make debt look smaller than it was relative to the economy. They started including prostitution and heroin purchases as part of the GDP. They said, look, the debt, actually, if you include prostitution and smackheads, the debt relative to GDP is not that bad. So what Jerome Powell is doing, another statistical thing, he's saying, look, if you include all the people overdosing on opiates, all the dead people, if you include all of the transfer payments, if you include all the military-industrial complex that's expanding by 20% a year, you know, that's not that bad. The fact that the economy itself is producing zombies, debt-ridden, drug-addled zombies, we got nothing to do with that. That's not on me. I'm Jerome Powell. I got nothing to do with that.
And speaking of Jerome Powell,
yeah, go check it out. Microdosing, the Coinbase listed. Coinbase is going to be going. You could be able to trade on Coinbase, day trading. We're already doing that, but you know, it'll be official. Go check it out. But most of all, thanks for coming by, you guys. Check out my videos, watch them, like, subscribe. It goes a long way. And check out my other channel, Papa Christos Reality. You've seen a couple clips here. Subscribe to it. It's really entertaining, really fun. I just watch video and give my opinion on it. It's very interesting. So check that out too. I'll be giving you guys the link to that in the future. Papa Christos Reality. Okay. So thanks for coming by. Check out my latest video. You know, show your support and come back for more. If you haven't started, you can start today, Friday. Put some money in, pull it out on Saturday. Okay. But we're gonna leave our money in there till Saturday, and then we're gonna pull it out. Maybe we just pull out profits, and we'll go from there. Have a good day. Thanks for coming by, and come back for more.